What's up everyone, it's DucatiBiker. I'm officially doing my first moto vlog. I'm here at the Angel Crest Highway with a few people. I got the Pikes Peak here, and we're going to try to get into it, or we will be getting into it. And I got my buddy Gus. He's got his new Street Fighter SP with the full STM ecosystem. We got a Carbon Monster, and we have a Desert X, just to show how amazing that bike is. Totally forgot my gauntlet gloves. I'm going all mountain bike today, but I'm excited. We're gonna try to shoot a moto vlog. It should be dope. Should be fun. Let's do it. Let's get after it. Oh, I'm so excited to ride. And I hope you guys can hear me because I've never done this before, this moto vlog. And I don't know if my bike's really loud or not, but it's gonna be fun. I'm really looking forward to riding up this road. Angel Crest Highway. It's been it's not even been a minute, but we got the Pikes Peak. We got a monster behind me. We got obviously Gus riding his awesome SP right there, looking sharp. I'm excited. This should be fun. I won't try to make too many crazy noises and sounds. It's such a beautiful area, man. Riding in California it hits different, man. It hits different. Oh, just kind of flew by police. Right when I start accelerating, cop just has to be there. I think someone gave us the signal that the road's closed. Man, these Cali roads, man. Yeah, we gotta chill. We don't know when the traffic's gonna start. Don't want to go flying around a corner into traffic. Not the thing about these California roads, it's just there's a lot of people, a lot of traffic. And it's a Saturday today, and look, we got road bikers, our favorite road bikers. But, oh, there it is. And we're turning around. Oh man, that sucks. I'll have to find another way. We're either doing a race or some bicycle thing. Yeah, I don't know. Well, Gus will probably have something in mind. So the Angel Crest Highway is closed. So we're about to get into something else. I'm following Gustavo. We're heading up into the hills, the California hills. So this should be fun. Up on the mountains, because it is a Saturday. So on my Pikes Peak, I'm in race mode right now. I like it like that, just so I could have my setup be a little bit more stiff. Forward. Okay, looks like we're gonna ease into it nice and easy. Get some speed going, warm the tires a little bit. Now Gus, he's a phenomenal rider and he knows these roads really well. The bike speed feels good. You guys hear that sound too? That's just like phenomenal. Oh, there's a bunch of rocks on the side of the road. My bike just eats up roads like this. Woo! We slam! Oh man. Riding this bike like this for my first time in Cali is just so nice. Luckily I have my boy Gus showing me the way. Alright, we're almost there. Just past like literally 80 cars. But there we go. Awesome. Something about some roadblocks. Alright, make a nice corner, nice sweet bend. Oh my god, this is that famous... I think this is where like all the boys do the wheelie stuff. Yeah, this has gotta be it. I've seen this on YouTube videos and Instagram guys. They come out here and they just do the whole max wrist crazy pass and like what we're doing. Let's see, a few more. Nope, slow down a little bit. Oh man, this bike is just such a beast. I think everyone underestimates, thank you, how great and fast this bike is. And you gotta have that V4 motor in order to keep up with the bike in front of me. The Street Fighter SP. See, I could just gain on them. And then we have a Tesla going slow. Awesome. I'm glad Gus is showing me the ropes, man. I really think it's just him and I today. Look at these corners, man, just full on leaning. This is awesome! Oh. No little rock in the road. I know I've seen these videos on like YouTube or Instagram. There's these guys that come out here and absolutely shred these roads. And I'm like honored to do this right now with Gus. This is so much fun. Dang, dang, loop it around. He's definitely getting his knee down. You gotta be tight, you gotta be technical, and that's where the Pikes speed comes in as well. I could almost just creep up on everywhere. I got more suspension. I got that 17-inch front wheel. It just bites everywhere. Slipping and sliding. I'm in race mode, so I have the ABS reader off. So when I'm tapping the rear brake, she's backing in a little bit. But again, it's a Saturday, we're chilling. We're trying to chill, get some good lines down. so fun riding with Gus. Whoop, sharp one. This road is awesome. Oh, rocking the road. That's dangerous. Sometimes you can see that, but I almost want to move that out of the way. If a rider hits that, it's over. Is there another rock? I don't know. It's kind of hard to see with the shadows now. Yeah. A little bit of dirt. Man, this is great. I wish we had roads like this in Arizona. Yep, bikers, you see, those guys are smart. They're off the side of the road. Damn, I hope I'm getting all this on camera. This makes for a great video. Look at that. The Pikes Peak just comes in so clutch on these bumpy roads. On bikes where you have to slow down, you don't on the Pikes Peak. You could just smash with the oil and suspension. Bit around there, you see that? Whoa, watch out for the water. Oh my god. Shooting with the new GoPro Hero Black 11, so this is a first for me as well. As you guys know, we like to do everything first. Getting the Pikes Peak nice and easy, nice and into it. Chasing a street fighter. Yep, got some rocks and some gravel. Just want to be chill. Oh man, I just love the sound of my bike. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but sorry, I won't run it for you guys. Ooh, you hear that popcorn crack? And a road biker. I call them mosquitoes of the road. Oh, yep, there you go. Mosquito. Man, these California mountains. Dope. Oh man, that's awesome. That's so much fun. Up here in the mountains. Yeah, it's awesome.
Fun?
Yeah, man, I haven't, it's been a minute. It's been a minute, but it's great. I mean, obviously, are we just gonna keep going up? Like,
There's like a cafe
oh, nice,
ahead.
nice.
So you can take a break, maybe you get some.
Yeah, let's go coffee, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, and then head back down.
Cool. Yeah, it's so much fun, dude. I miss these roads, these type of roads. And you're flying on your bike too. Isn't it so much nicer to be like upright? You know, you just have more control on bumpy roads. You got the same exact setup as a Panigale, but just with those bars. And it makes sense, you know. But that's why it's like it was either this one or obviously that one. But this one, I felt like I'd be more crazy on, you know, because you can. But then, like when I want to hop a curb or a sidewalk, you don't want to do that with this.
Exactly.
And you could kind of do that with that. So
You're really gonna have.
yeah. And you got to be like, but if you feel like you can, you feel like you could ride this like a hyper. So it's like really interesting. Yeah, badass. So much fun. Ripping it out here on the Pikes Peak. This is the first Pikes Peak ever to ruin the Colorado Pikes Peak in Colorado Springs. And now we're mapping together. We're gonna stop at a cafe in a bit, so let's turn this aft.